Hi everyone, it's Natasha from Team Sephora. I am so obsessed with fragrances. It's definitely something that was passed down from my mom and my grandma. I have so many. And today I'm going to teach you the perfect recipe to layer fragrances and make it super personable to you. So a great way to think about this is your base ingredient. So this is going to be the common denominator for all of the other steps. And this one is from a warm and sheer family. And this feels and smells like your skin, but better. And it has just like that clean type of sensation to it. A great example from the warm and sheer family is the Fleur Missing Person, and this is just a great classic musk. So now that we have our base, it's time to add the personality, and that's really it. It's that simple. So a great way to start experimenting with layering is getting this perfume set from Jo Malone. I love it because you get two different families. You have earthy and woody, and then you also have classic floral. So the classic floral is already giving you that like deep rose. It's very traditional, but once you mix it with the Fleur Missing Person, it really grounds it. Like you still get that beautiful lightness of a traditional floral scent, but with the Missing Person, that little musk, it just creates like a nice complex florally grounded scent. So with the Jo Malone Wood Sage and Sea Salt, you're really getting that crisp, you're getting that dewy, very foresty, earthy scent. But when you mix it with the musk, it just makes it so nice and complex and deep, and I've just envisioned myself walking through a forest right now. Another fragrance that pairs well with our base is Juliet Has a Gun Magnolia Bliss. This is a very fruity floral. She's got a lot of attitude. She's strong. She came here with purpose. She's just a flirty girl. And then when we mix her with Fleur's Missing Person, we get a really nice balance. They're like yin and yang besties. She softens her and she gives her more of an attitude, and it's just harmony together. I love it. Before I let you go, let me make myself a fragrance cocktail. I'm gonna start off with my base, Missing Person, and gently dab. And I think I'm feeling like a classic girly today. We're gonna go in with a classic floral, and this is the Peony and Blush. Oh, that's such a nice combination. I love layering fragrances. The possibilities are virtually endless, and it really gives you the opportunity to personalize any scent to what your mood is like that day. So let me know in the comments below if you have any signature fragrances that you like to cocktail. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Bye.